without my love. Yet today my love has run away. I am without my love. Now laughing friends cry, tears I cannot hide. So I smile and say, when a lovely flame dies, smoke gets in your eyes. Smoke gets in your eyes. Pagkain mo, Vic. Pagkain, no? Mayroon na ba? My way. May kumakanta dito eh. Oh, the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I believe a life that's full, I traveled each and every life highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byways, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I eat it all and speak it all. I face it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels. And by the words of one who kneels, the record shows I took the blows and did it my way.
Yes!
May bayad may bayad yan.
Bravo!
May bayad. Wala na siya kanta, no? Dati may kanta yan. Ano yun?
Nakuha ko yung ano. Hindi, nagupit ko kanina.
Ano yan? Huwag ka magsusugat. Ano yan? Sugat? Ano ba yan? May ano?
Nail cutter nyo kanina.
Yes, it was my way. Mayroon pa pala. Sino? May nuno.
Meron. Hindi ito mamukhaan kung sino ito.
Close to your level. Ano ba? Ilan na sila?
Dalawa na eh. Ano ba yan?
Close to you. Yeba.
Iba yan kami.
Close to you nga.
Pang ano eh.
I want to be close to you. Where I go. Ay, mali. Mali. Mali.
Kanina.
Hindi sa amin mucho. Baka Kastila naman ito.
Ay, mas maganda yan. Ang kapalakpak ulit yan si AJ Mami.
Wala ba si AJ? Wala.
Ewan kapag nakita ulit yan.
Sino yun? Yung dalawang yan. Yung dalawa.
Hindi ko mamukha.
Baka ano yun ako. Bésame mucho.
Yan na.
Embassy mo yun. Ano lang nga ito eh. Mali. Ayoko yan.
Ay, beso may mucho na
Tagalog.
kalagay.
Tagalog eh. Ay, ano ba yan?
French and French.
Yan, tama, tama. Oh, hello. That was ours, but our eyes can show me. Suddenly, we can see we were wrong. All of a sudden, this was yours and mine. Yeah, but all of a sudden, but it tastes like wine.
Yeah, ma.
Now every moment there are songs to sing.
Every moment.
All of a sudden, everything. Let's not talk of the times we have been lonely. Let's speak of the times we will know. From today, I will live for you only. Ever. Because I've said of these things long ago. All of a sudden, this was yours and mine. Never. All of a sudden, what it tastes like wine. Now every moment there are songs to sing. All of a sudden, everything. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Ayan. Ang audience nyo, si Mark Anthony Baiken
Oh, sige, bye kay Mark.
at saka si Uncle Ben.
Miss kita.
Uncle Ben Antonio.
Constantly. Magaling na ako, Mark. Galing ako sa Diyos.
Just
Like a never-flowing stream, the memories haunts me constantly. Dapat mataas ito.
Shadows fall and I
Try to drive you from my mind, so you're no longer near to me. Whoa, my heart says you're there with me. Every sunset you share with me. Never really matters to the things. You're there.
Your name is whispered by the breeze.
And lovers bring the song. Wala po as sure as the stars burning in the sky, your love will stay aflame and be ever a flame that burns so bright, not only through the night, but constantly.
Hello, Uncle Ben. Siya pa lang ulit.
Wala na si Mike.
Wala na
Stars burning in the sky, your love is like a flame in me, a flame that burns so bright, not only through the night, but constantly.
Though we may be
Far apart, you're
You're
constantly
constantly in my heart.
Mahirap kantahin. Ano yung sunod? Si Where's My Ring? Ewa. Show the world that she belongs to me. Where's my ring? To show the world she's mine eternally. Now he came, I placed it on her finger to show my my love for all the world to see. This tiny ring is a token of emotion and is full of love that has deep as the ocean. She swears to wear it with eternal devotion. That's why I sing, because she wears my ring. Where's my ring to show the world that she belongs to me? Where's my ring to show the world she's mine, eternally loving care? I place it on her finger to show my love for all the world to see. This tiny ring is the token of tender emotion and is full of love that as deep as the ocean. She swears to wear it with eternal devotion. That's why I sing, because she wears my ring. Tama na. Natuwa ko yung my way.
Oo, kahit sa tama lang. Tama. Ang ano nyo, Paul Lorenzo, Mark Anthony Baiken, and
Hi,
Tim
Mike Backen, ang Larben. May waga, para sa akin lahat. May waga ang COVID-19.
Dito pa si Darwin Haro,
Sino yun?
yung sa amin. Gerard
May
Adi
waga
Gloria.
ang COVID-19. May waga ang buhay ng tao. Ang bukas ay nating tibo. Naliglag sana tayo. Yeba, Diyos ang siya, pag-asa ng mundo. Pag-ibig sa ating kapitao. At lagi pagmahalan tayo. Yan ang lunas at ligaya at pag-asa ng bawat kalwa. Nebo. Mahiwaga ang buhay ng tao. Ang bukas ay hindi natin biro. Naliglag sana tayo. Ang Diyos ang siya, pag-asa ng mundo. Alisin ang COVID, pag-ibig sa ating kapagtao. At laging pagmahalan tayo. Yan ang lunas at ligaya at pag-asa ng bawat kaluluwa. Yan ang ng buhay ng tao. Mahalin natin lahat, alisin na yung inggitan. Magpakabait na tayo. Wow, eternally. Kay Lord ito, I love you, Lord. Dedicated to the Lord. I love you, Lord, very much. Ulitin mo. Hindi na. Para kay Lord ito, mahalin natin si Lord eternally. I'll be loving you eternally with a love that's true eternally. Yeah, ba? From the start within my heart it seems always known. The sun would shine when you were mine and mine alone. I'll be loving you eternally, Lord. Pinagaling mo na ako. There be no one new, my dear friend. The skies will hold, remember I shall always be forever true in loving you, Lord, eternally. I'll be loving you, Lord, eternally. Yeah, ba? There'll be no one dear, my dear, for me. Pinagaling mo na ako. So the skies will hold, remember, I shall always be forever true in loving you eternally. Salamat, Lord. Tinuod ka man. Ano pa sunod? Si Baiken?
Andiyan pa.
Si ano?
Baiken, paramdam ka raw.
Ay, si
Andiyan pa siya pala.
Ay, and I love you so. Para kay Lord ulit. Bigyan tayo ng biyaya. Lahat, hingi tayo ng tawad at magbago na tayo para sa atin. Oh, pagin mo. Huwag na tayo materyosa. Materyoso.
Dali naman.
Oh. Pag nilibing tayo, maliit lang ang lupa. Kaya huwag tayo maghangad ng marami. Tama na yung kumakain tayo araw-araw, wala tayong sakit.
Kwento na, mami.
Oh, sige, ulit mo. Oh, gusto mo. Mike, kumusta ka na? Mayaman ka na, Mike. Nandiyan pa ba siya?
Baka nagkumakain.
And I love you so. The people ask me how I live till now. I tell them I don't know. I guess we understand how lonely life has been. But life began again that day you took my hand. And yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening get me down. Now that you're around me, Lord.
Meron eh. Hindi ko ito kilala ko.
Wala na yata.
I will love you too. Yeah, but your thoughts are just for me. You set my spirit free. I'm happy that you do. The book of life is sweet, and once the page is read, all that love is there, and that is my belief. And yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening get me down. Know that you're around, Lord. Love you so. People ask me how I really feel now. I tell them I don't know.
Yung ano eh.
Ilang sila?
Yung isa ngayon, isa lang nanonood eh.
Wala na sila eh.
Wala po eh.
Hindi ko yung mga hap. Kasi ano siya, ano, wala na.
Araw, ewan ko eh.
Malis na. Wala na si Aro.
Wala na ako.
My God, I love. Para sa'yo, Victor. Ang heart. I think my life, my everything, my dream, my every prayer. In my heart, I know. In your heart, know that we river. Deep in my heart, I know. Deep in your heart, you know that we were meant for each other, and deep within my heart, and deep within your heart, yes, we will love each other forever.
Awa na.
Hello.
Wala.
Wala pang nanonood eh. May mga sumisilip pa, so wala.
Awa, sige.
Wala akong makain yan.
Solitaire. English ba ito? English.
Ah,
Ako magaling na. Magaling.
There was a man, a lonely man, who lost his love through his indifference. A heart that ached, that went unshared until it died within his silence. Only day, the only game in town, and every road that takes him down. My life goes on around him everywhere. He's playing solitaire.
nakabata na yan. Instrumental ko yun eh.
Little hope goes up in smoke, just how it goes. Goes without saying.
Kanta niya.
There was a man, a lonely man, who worked
Come on.
a man, and his playing. The only game in town, mataas eh. And every road that takes him
down.
and by
By
himself,
itself, it's easy to pretend he'll never know again. Oh, and keeping to himself, he plays the game. Without her love, it always ends the same. Oh, I lie Time goes on around him everywhere.
His soul is there.
Tapos na.
Ayun yung sumilip si Joven. Ito po.
Umilit yan.
Ah.
Marunong. Ha? Tapos pwede makinig.
Sumilip si Joven. Hindi siya
Pwede makinig. Pwede siya makinig.
Hindi, nasa baba siya via cellphone. Nakita
Saan ba
niya kayo.
dito? Ngayon, nakikinig ka.
Hindi ho. Sumilip naman. Hindi ko lang kung ano. Nandiyan pa siya.
Buhat.
My favorite. Buhat. Para sa ating lahat. Bawat buhay ay may kasaysayan. Tulad ng pinangyarihan nang tayo'y magtanaw. Takot lamang ay iyong pakinggan.
Nahirapan ako.
Ngunit ang katotohanan, kita'y minamahal. Yebo! Buhat ng kita'y masilayan. Saan ka man naroon? Buhat ng mapanaginpan. Laging hinahanap at iwasan. Hiling ay dahil niya ring pagmamahal at pagbuhat nang kita'y makilala. Masan ko'y karikat. Sulat ay sadyang kaligayahan na mabuhat sa'yo. Buhay niya rin buhay. Buhat ng kita'y masilayan. Saan ka na? Bawat masan ko'y karikat. Sulat ay sadyang kaligayahan na mabuhat sa'yo. Buhay niya rin buhay.
Painom na. Hirapan kayo.
Perfect.
Malakpak natin.
Oh,
Malakasan.
bravo.
May bayad dyan, may bayad. Ice cream.
Boulevard ang sunod niya.
Hapon na guard. Mas maganda. Ano na ko, hindi ko nakikita masyado. Pinatay mo na.
Ay, nagkaka-charge na eh.
Iharap kayo ng kilado dito. Kaya ka, yun.
Namamatay po yan. Tutanda na.
Tamay, banda mo dito. Yan. Yun na, yun na. Wala naman na.
Paborito ni Sir Aman. Sana nakikinig ka. I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you then go forever, my love. Please tell me why you made me cry. I beg you please, I'm on my knees. That's what you want to do. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, and you'd release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Never. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we'll be happy together. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, and you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay a little while just for a smile in love together. For I will show you a place I know in Tokyo where we could be happy forever. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, and you will release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, and you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again.
Wala yung iba pala yung cruise nila.
Ano po?
Wala na.
Wala.
Wala na si Mike.
Ano? Wala kasi. Wala sa ano.
Kumain na si Mike.
Napapagod na iba ngayon.
Hindi ko makain. Ano
Ano
yan?
pa ngayon? Feelings pa. Feelings. Yan ah. Kaya niyan.
Kay Imelda Marcos. Feelings, nothing more than feelings. Trying to forget my feeling of love, teardrops rolling down on my face, trying to forget my feeling of love. Feelings all over my life, I feel it. I wish I'd never met you, boy. You'll never come again. Feelings, oh, feelings, again in my arms. Feelings like I've never lost you, and feelings like I'll never have you again. Not all feelings.
Low feelings, I feel you again.
And in my arms.
Teardrops falling down on my face, trying to forget my feelings of love. Feelings for my life, I feel it. I wish I'd never met you, girl. You'll never come again.
Feelings, oh, feelings, oh, feel you again in my
Sinasabay.
arms.
Delay lang ng konti yung
siya.
mga.
Nalilito ka eh. Anong oras na? Wala na.
8:45. Dahil sa'yo.
Dahil sa iyo.
Dahil sa iyo, Lord, ako'y lumigaya at gumaling.
Yun. Lord, salamat po.
Labis ang hirap at pasakit ng pusong umiibig, maniwala ng langit at nang lumigaya, nangungusa-dusa, tanging ikaw, sinta, ang aking pag-asa. Dahil sa'yo, nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo, hanggang mamatay, dapat mong tanungin, wala nang Ibanghilya ba? Puso ko'y tanongin, ikaw at ikaw rin, yaba? Sa'yo ako'y lumigaya, Lord. Pagmamahal ay alayan ka, kung tunay man ako ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko dahil sa'yo, Lord. Salamat. Sa'yo, Lord, nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo, hanggang mamatay, dapat mong tanungin, wala nang ibang hiling, Lord. Puso ko'y tanungin, ikaw at ikaw rin, Lord. Sa'yo ako'y lumigaya. Pagmamahal ay alayan ko, kung tunay man ako ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko, Lord, dahil sa'yo. Halika kay Lord. Salamat, Lord. Bait-bait mo.
Okay, ang ano nyo, si Joven Namor,
Ay, Joven.
Ron Bustria,
Oo. Sino Austria?
si yung ano sa
QC.
technical, saka
Ay, para
si
sa
Benedict
inyo.
Elia.
Sino yun?
Yung college namin yan, SC President.
Ay. Ay, Sir Bostria. Kumusta ka na? Guwapo pa rin. Guwapo pa. Gano'n kita kamahal. O, para sa inyo lahat to, ha?
Ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin, Lord, ikaw lang. Kailan mo ibig ko sa'yo ay tunay na ay
Nais ko sana
patunayan ang alinlangan ang pag-ibig ko'y hindi kukupas tulad din ng umagang may pag-asa sumisikat. Ang aking buhay mahaba ang hirap, kung kaya kailangan pagsuwagas
Dapat mataas.
ang sumpa ko Lord, napakailanman.
Wala na.
Ang aking buhay, maikli aking hirap. Kung kaya kailangan
Ang pagtuyong wagas kailanman. Ang sumpa ko, Lord, sa iyong asahan. Ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin.
Nalagay ka pa.
Ito yung mga nilagay niyo dun sa hotel. Ayun na ako. Nilagay ko na po lahat eh.
Yung The Way We Were. Tandaan mo. Yun. Wala eh. The Way We Were.
The way we were pa.
Oo. Oh, ano
tapos
kita ka
na.
pangalan?
Stop. The way we were.
Wala na. Yung ano na lang. Uy, yung kahit isang saglit. Hindi mo nilagay. Dali. Asa na ba?
Ayun.
Nandyan o. Di ba dyan? Kahit isang saglit. Yun na lang yan. Kahit sa kiki. Kiki. Last na yan ang last na.
Paborito ni President Duterte, kahit isang saglit. Para sa kanya ito. Napakabait sa mga mahirap. Paano ang puso kong ito ngayong lumisan ka sa buhay ko? Kung kailan sumikat ang araw at lumigaya ang aking mundo, paano mga bukas ko? Ngayon, wala ka na sa piling ko. Paano mga pangarap, mga pangako sa bawat isa? Sana ika'y muling makita ko. Dangin ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ako muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit, mayakap ko. With feelings.
Wala na kayong ano.
Wala na lang ulo.
Wala na.
na nag-isa. Sana ika'y muling makita ko gamit ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ako muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit. Mayakap ka, mayakap ka.
Good night. Salamat sa inyo. Nanonood nyo. Salamat, Lord.